everyone, welcome back to eBay Flips. So for today, we got a total of 24 eBay Flips leads, eBay OA 11, and then for eBay RA, we got 13. So let's check some of the items that we got, starting off with After Noah, this Jellica charm deal that you could buy for 23 pounds and sell it for 50 pounds. Another one is this Bunny Easter Jellica that you could buy for 20 pounds and sell it for 40 to 41 pounds. There you go. Double its prices. And here are the rest of the items that you should check that we have sourced for you guys. So check them out. If you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options. Review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. If you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. A bot-operated channel that we offer you is the price drop monitoring, wherein you can see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. And here are the samples, 30 up to 80% price drop, guys. So monitor them from time to time. Another bot-operated channel is this Amazon to eBay channel, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops from Amazon that you could sell to your eBay accounts. And lastly, our general community that you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That's all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.